Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. Today, we are in Anaheim, California, and it is days before Christmas. And you know what? I still have a few last-minute gifts I want to get. I want to add a few more stocking stuffers to the kids' presents. And so we are here at the Goodwill, my one-stop destination to find all the stuff. I love this place so much. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love hauls, and Vlogmas, because I'm doing Vlogmas this year, don't forget to check out my channel. Don't forget to check out my Instagram too. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see whatever stuff for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store because I'm super excited to see what they have today. And I still have a laundry list of things I want to pick up. So let's go inside and check it out. What box furniture? Oh my gosh, I'm running inside. Alright you guys, I got my cart. I'm making a beeline to the furniture, box furniture, and to the toys in the back. Half off hot dog. Ooh, these are the box furniture pieces. Well, these aren't. I always wanted this. How much is it right now? $30. Oh my gosh, a miracle of miracles happened. The side table that I have been obsessed with is still here. And remember that side table is only $20. It's gonna be $10. Plus, I have a 25% off coupon. Hunting through the rest of the box furniture. Look at this. They have like a fireplace. Oh my gosh. An electric firebox. They have this chair. Oh my gosh. Look at the chair that's in here. This one's gorgeous. Let me just check out the rest of the stuff that they have here. They have like a whiteboard. I think I'm definitely just looking at the boxed furniture right now. This is $25. What is this? Does it even say what it is? It just says that it's gray. Oh, side chair. Cassie side chair. Gray poly. Oh, PU leather, maybe? Oh, the walnut veneer. Get out, all linens are also 50% off. Blankets. Oh, this is kind of a nice throw. I think this is from Target. Yeah, $12.99. Oh, look at this table runner. This is kind of pretty. $10. That's cute. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna get this for my sister. Are these also? What are these? These kitchen towels? Ooh, these are pretty. Already filling up my cart. Like, this is insane. But they have some cute stuff right now. Let's see what other cute kitchen things they have. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. Like, seriously. Okay, I'm gonna look at the kids' toys and see what I can find right now. Because I am on the hunt for kids' toys as well. The sand things, like, I think are really cool. But I don't want to get them because I feel like the kids are going to make such a mess. So, I know that's a little selfish of me, but I'm like, I really don't want to clean it. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite childhood games. Like, oh my gosh. We had like a slight accidente, but it's okay. Look at this mousetrap game. Oh my gosh. Like, this was literally one of my favorite games when I was little. I would literally play it by myself. And I would literally just want to set up the thing and like see if it works. And like maybe like 8 times out of 10 it didn't work. But I just, again, like I think I said this before, I just want to get the kids like some fun games that they can play. Kind of like Operation. Because my little cousin's gonna be with us for like her whole winter break, and I want the kids to do things other than playing on their iPads and stuff, you know? So like I want them to like play some fun games, and I want them to be able to include Elizo. So I'm looking for games that he can kind of try and play as well. Just found Spider-Man Operation, which is perfect, and this was donated. But it's like literally brand new, and I just checked the pieces and stuff. They're all still in there. So this is gonna be super fun. The more that I look at this, the more I'm like, maybe I should just get it for them. I think it might be fun. Okay, I'm like literally dropping everything today. Not a quilt. Ooh, that's fun too. Oh my gosh, Eliza would love this. It's only $4.99, so I'm totally gonna get it. It looks pretty full in there, so it's only gonna be a few bucks. Let's see what else I can find. Oh, look at these. Placemats, alligator. Wow. Alright, let's see what other Christmas things they have. Ooh, you know, I didn't even look at the handbags. I'm just gonna leave my cart right here because it's difficult to push around. I'm just gonna go through the bags really quick. This is a fake Tory, $7.99. Julian Burke backpack, but it's missing the back straps. There's Claiborne. Sorry, I'm kind of going quickly through the handbags. I'm just like, there's actually a lot of people in here right now, and I'm like trying to race everyone to get the stuff. How bad is that? Oh my gosh. Christmas rush is real right now. But, you know what? It's fun. I like it. Why is this thing of like fake pine trees just actually really pretty? $10? Well, seems like they have a lot of this garland, but it's like a thin garland. I was thinking about trying to wrap the stairs with it, but it probably wouldn't look the best. Got some pink sea salt right here. Let's look at the tchotchkes. Ooh, look at that marlin. Oh, you know what? I want to look at the plates because I'm still looking for a set of plates from my cousin. Guys, there's kind of a lot of people, so it's a little difficult to maneuver around at the moment, but I'm trying my hardest. That is really pretty. But I feel like it's like more fallish looking to me. So I won't be able to use it for a while. Finally made my way down the plate aisle. And I'm just looking at the glassware right here. I'm looking for crystal candlestick holders because that's like my new obsession, is anything made of crystal. Ever since I found those crystal Tiffany glasses, Tiffany candlestick holders, and the Baccarat crystal cups, I've just been obsessed. I'm gonna have those videos linked if you guys are interested in seeing those, but I am just going through the plates right now. I'm looking for like rectangular plates, because those are like the plates like that my cousin wants. She wants like cool rectangular plates. Oh, look at these, some cool Crate and Barrel plates. I actually got my aunt some Crate and Barrel plates, but they don't look like, they actually would match like this kind of style, but not with like the black part in the middle. But I got her like these really nice Crate and Barrel plates. I wonder if these are Williams Sonoma. No, tab. Ooh, these red things are kind of cool. Farm Fresh, Home Trends, ripe and juicy. These are pretty. I think these might be from Target. Yeah, these are gorgeous. I love that they're all like a little different. That's cool. I'm like power thrifting right now, you guys. This is so much fun. Mervyn's? Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is fancy. I have no clue what the markings are underneath. You can kind of see them, but I don't know if these are like those really collectible things, but Meowie Christmas? Oh, he has a chip on his ear. Whoa, these look just like the ones that I got my aunt. These are Nassau, made in Japan. Stella Rosa. Ooh, that's a pretty plate. You see that pattern on there? Nice. I always see these plates and I think they're so pretty. Are they on sale yet? Still not on sale. I want to get them when they're on sale. But these are really pretty. That one has like a weird stain on it though. But I really like them. They're Target plates. See, white elements made in China. Sonoma Life and Style. Oh, this is interesting. Looks like someone made it. Look at how pretty this ginger jar is. So gorgeous. It's missing the lid, but I feel like I kind of saw it somewhere earlier when I was walking around. So I'm gonna look for it. Ooh, IKEA. These plates are really pretty. Let's take a look at what these are. Mikasa? No, Noritake. Cook and serve China. Beautiful. I'm looking for a new coffee mug for Dad, but like one of those like travel ones. And all the ones that I have are like flowers and stuff. He uses this black Starbucks one that I have, but it also has flowers on it. So I'm trying to find him like a new one. Plus that one's been a little beat up already from being used for so long. So I might even just end up going to Starbucks to find a new one for him, so I can find one that like, but if I find one at the thrift store that's like in really great shape, of course I'm gonna get that. Whoa, this is what I was talking about. Do you think this is it? Hold on. Let's marry the two pieces back together. Yes! Does that mean I need to buy this? I feel like that's a yes. Alright. Ginger jar in hand. Well, ginger jar in cart. Let's see what other things we can find. Any cool serving platters. Stuff like that. Man, I really wish this wasn't cracked. It's a beautiful flower one from Pottery Barn. It's been here for a hot second and no one's buying it, probably because it is broken. This is cool. Flower. Yes. Ah! Oh gosh. I thought it was gonna fall. Man, these glass pumpkins, they pop up whenever you don't need them, which is anytime other than like Halloween and Thanksgiving. Look at these cute little lettuce things. Those are cute. Ooh, a Scottish nutcracker. $2.99. Do I need him? His nose is missing. Maybe I'll pass. Checking out what's around here. This is Treasure Craft. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just ran into a couple of you guys, the cutest little family. I'm so sorry I already forgot your names, but you guys were so fun. It was so nice meeting you guys. I love meeting the thrift squad, members of the thrift squad while I'm out thrifting. It's so much fun. So I'm very, very excited. Okay, so I think I'm done with this aisle. Let's check out the rest. Oh my gosh. Is this not like the coolest jewelry box? $7.99. It's pretty cool. I like the look of it. It's awesome. Look at these chess pieces. These are kind of fun. $2.99 each. I think these are from Target. Oh, this little dragon bell is so cute. I think it's missing the gong, but it's adorable. I like these little jewelry stands. Those are precious. Oh my gosh, I'm still like over the moon in meeting a part of like some of you guys. Like, it's just so much fun, like getting to see you guys in real life. Love it. Whoa, look at these. They're pretty nice. I literally have nowhere to put those on my desk. And I don't even have any files to put inside something like that. Ooh, this is like a cool tray. Okay, I see you, tray. Those are really cute. See the little leopard and the little giraffe? Those are nice. Oh, these are heavy. Hey guys, I found this garden caddy, and it's a Target one. This one doesn't have any price on it though. And I remember these are usually pretty pricey. I really like it. I want to put it in the backyard. Perfect for our tools. This little bistro table is so cute. Oh my gosh, I have to find out how much it costs. Oh, a little butler. Okay, it's $25. There's also this bluish one over here, which is really cute. And I really like the pattern on this one. Is also 25. So, man, everything's so cute and $25. Hey guys, I just left this store. I'm actually going to the car right now. Gotta go to the car and drive up there because I bought literally 2 shopping carts worth of stuff. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun today. If you guys did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys did any thrifting for Christmas. And tune in tomorrow for the haul video. I love you guys so much.